Namaste children, welcome to English class. Children, in my previous video, I read that fourth lesson, Yuki and the tsunami. And in my today's video, I am going to give you the meanings of that fourth lesson, and also I am going to explain that lesson to you all. Please open your textbook and sit and listen my explanation. These are the meanings of that fourth lesson. They are here. One by one you can see. First one, harvest. Harvest means the process of gathering in crops. Gathering in crops. Second one, paper lanterns. Paper lanterns are nothing but a lamp with a transparent case. They are called as lanterns. Especially we are using paper lanterns in the Deepavali festival. And Lakshmi Abha, Lakshmi festival celebration we will do, no? During that time, paper lanterns we will purchase from the shops. Okay, colorful lanterns we will purchase. Akash Butti antivella avu. So they are paper lanterns. Next one, strings. Strings means hanging something to the wall or something. That is. Next, decoration. Decoration is arrangement. Next, eagerly. Eagerly is immediately or urgently. Next, taught. Taught is the fast form of teach. Next, let's get cracking. It is there. Let's get cracking. It is nothing but cracking. It means let's start work immediately. Let's start work immediately. Let's start work immediately. I repeated. Then off stage. Off stage is nothing but go back of the stage. Next, worked up. Worked up means excited but tense. Okay, there will be lots of excitement with the tension. That is excited but tense. Next, relieved. Relieved means no longer feeling distressed. Means what we are having lots of depression on our face, it will be removed from the face. That is relieved. Okay, then sure. Footedness. Sure footedness of a mountain goat. Its meaning excellent balance of a mountain goat. It means goats, they will be standing on the hill or mountain and they will be eating the grass or leaves of the trees. And they will stand there firmly, strongly they will stand. That is called sure footedness of a mountain goat. It will not fall down. It means that much of strongly it is standing on the mountain. Like that we too stand like that, he is saying there in that story. Then when it come to you, then you will understand it, what it is. Then start going about their business. It means start to work again. They continued their work. Next, audience. Audience means people who watch program. People who watch program, they are called audience. Then shore. Shore means beach. Next, tsunami. Tsunami means huge waves created in the sea or ocean. Very big ocean, waves are huge ocean waves we are calling them. They will be created in the sea or the ocean. They are tsunami. Next, rice stalks. Rice stalks are nothing but large piles of rice crops. Large piles of rice crops. Then panting. Panting means breathing heavily. It means when we get lots of work and when we will be afraid, we will leave our breathe or leave our exhaling. You know that exhaling will be very heavy. Okay, exhale heavily, that means. Next, clasp. Clasp is nothing but hold tightly. It means holding something tightly, that is. Then shells. Shells means sea product. You know that in the sea we are getting so many things like shanka or kappe chuppu, what we are calling them. They are called shells. Then terrible. Terrible is nothing but huge or very big things. Okay, terrible things we are calling. In this lesson especially its meaning will be huge or very big. Pretend means act. Next, crazy. Crazy means funny. Next, gasp. Gasp means it is nothing but silent. And swept means it is the past form of sweep. Past form of sweep it is. Okay. So these are all the things. Then after that, I am going to explain to you that lesson. So how much it is possible today, that much I will explain to you. Rest of the things I will explain to you in my next video. Here you can look at it. The people of a small village in Japan get ready to celebrate a good rice harvest. Harvest means it is nothing but we are cutting after growing the crops, we are going to cut them. We are cut the crops. So it means we are going to gather them. Gather in. Okay, gathering in crops, it is considered as harvesting. Now they grown harvest crop, they grown a rice crop and they were harvesting that rice crop. So it was that particular timing situation. At that time, what happened? So you know that farmers will be very happy in this harvest time because their crop which they grown in their farm, it will come to their hand now. So it means they are going to get money from that. So profit from that, so that they will be very happy. Same situation it was there in Japan at that time. But Mother Nature, it means what we have our nature, it has other plans in store for them. It means in our earth, you know that our nature, it is having so many things, it is hiding so many things. What happens and when it happens, we cannot tell anything. Suddenly it may be raining, suddenly it may be changing that weather condition. So like that. Changes in the weather or nature, they will be taking often. They will be taking place often. So how they are changing, when they are changing and why they are changing, we can't tell. So it is called Mother Nature, we are calling that. Mother Nature. It has other plans. There were some other plans for the nature. What were the plans there here? What happened to them while cutting the rice crop? So that is the story here. Here in this, it is one of the drama. Here so many characters are there. They given one by one now. One is Yuki. Yuki means a young Japanese boy. Okay, Japan people are called as Japanese. Here in Japan, there was a boy called Yuki. Next one is Yuki's father and his mother. So those also coming in this story, drama. Then last one, first villager, second villager, village boy. These three. First villager will be there. In that village who are all living, they are all called villagers. Here they mentioned about three. First villager, second villager and village boy. These are coming here. Yuki, Yuki's father and mother, total three. And first villager, second villager, village boy, three. Total 6 members, they are coming in this drama. Okay, Yuki and the tsunami. So now, as the curtain opens, curtain means you know that a drama stage, how will be drama stage? In front of the stage there will be a curtain. They will put a cloth. They will close the stage. So when they open that curtain, that is curtain opens. Okay, they will remove that layer of the cloth which will be in front of the stage. That is curtain opens. Okay, ನಾಟಕದ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಟನ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುಕಿ's parents and Yuki are outside their home. There was their home, Yuki's home. In front of that Yuki's home, there was Yuki and his parents. They stood outside of their home, and they are getting ready for a festival. What they were doing? They were getting ready for a festival. Which festival? That night they were going to celebrate a fine rice crop. They were going to celebrate a fine rice crop. It means during that year, that rice crop, it has grown very well, so that they were going to celebrate that rice harvest festival. So in their home, so that they were very happy and they were arranging something. Okay, they were getting ready for that celebration. Now what happened? They are carrying paper lanterns. Paper lanterns, you know that Deepavali festival, during that, and Lakshmi Abba, during that time we will get colorful covers which will be used to put around the lights. ಲೈಟಿನ ಸುತ್ತ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಇವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ನ್, ಆಕಾಶ ಬುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಲ್ಬನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ they were carrying now. Why they were using them? To decorate their home or outside veranda. They were decorating there to celebrate rice harvest festival. Now baskets of food they kept ready to distribute to the people who were there in that place. They were ready to distribute food also. They kept it ready in the basket, and other kinds of decorations also they were doing. Varieties of decorations, putting glass, lighting, and going to make garland or some other works they were doing. They were decorating for the celebration. So it was going on now. Lanterns they were arranging, everything it was going on. Now Yuki was there, no? He hands a garland of silk flowers to his father. There was a garland in his hand. ಒಂದು ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ. ಗಾರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಹೂವಿನ ಹಾರ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ Yuki. He holds, then he given that one to his father. His father is here. Yuki's father is here. He given that garland to his father. Then he asked his father that, Father, I cannot reach the branches of the tree. It was too high, no? So that boy he can't hang this garland to this branch of the tree. That is why this boy Yuki asked his father to, Father, I can't reach this branch. Please take this garland and hang it over to the branch of the tree. He asked his father. Okay. So then what happened? Will you help me, please? Please help me, Father. I am unable to reach that branch of the tree. Please take it and hang it over the branch of the tree. Like that he asked to his father. Then father replied, he takes the garland from Yuki. He taken that garland which was there in the hand of Yuki, and he replied, these flowers are very pretty. So in that garland there were different flowers, no, colorful flowers. He told about them, these are very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Yuki, these are very beautiful. Our friends and neighbors means who are all there nearby to their home, they are all their neighbors. My friends and neighbors will see them tonight. Today night they are all coming to our celebration, no? So we invited them to attend the celebration. So they are coming. Definitely today night they will see. Tonight means today night they will see this garland. And when we celebrate our rice harvest festival, during that time they are all coming and they are seeing this garland. It is too nice. It is so beautiful. Like that he said. Then he strings the flowers across the branches of a tree. He strings means he hanged that garland to the branch of the tree. Then Yuki again replies, thank you, Father. That is better. Very good, Father. It is nice to see you are hanged there, no? It is very good, very nice, he said. And eagerly means immediately, Father, tell me again about grandfather. So about my grandfather, can you tell me about my grandfather? He asked to his father. Okay, it means Yuki asked about his grandfather to his father. Tell me about your father. It means about my grandfather, can you tell me? Immediately he asked to his father. Then father replied, everyone in our village remembers your grandfather. He was the one who taught us how to grow rice. Everyone respected him because he was so smart. So everyone in our village, in this village who are all there, they are all remembering your grandfather. So it means your grandfather was that much of good person. He was a kind person, so that everybody remembering in this village, and he was the one who taught us how to grow rice. Earlier, these people of this village, they did not know how to grow the crops. Your grandfather is the person, he taught them how to grow the crops. That is why they are all remembering him every day. Everyone respected him because he was so smart. Everybody, they were giving respect to your grandfather in this village. They were giving respect to your grandfather in this village. It means that much of respectful person your grandfather was in this village. Like that his father replied to his son. Now Yuki's mother steps out of the house. She was at home. Now she came out of the house. And here first village boy and other villagers walk back and forth across the stage in small groups. They are decorating the village. It means there were so many village boy, village first villager, second villager, and other people, other villagers were there. No, they were on the stage, off stage. So they were going to help them to decorate their celebration. It means what they were going to do. For that, they were helping them. For the decoration work, they were helping them, helping that Yuki and Yuki's family. So all the people together, they were decorating. Now, his mother came out of his house and she told like this, there you two are. Oh, you are here now. So we have a lot to do before tonight. You know, if this is going to be a great celebration, then we better get to work. So it means mother, she was searching for these two, Yuki and his father. She is at inside the home now. Now she came out of the house and she was searching for Yuki and his father. Now she got that Yuki and his father. Okay. Then he asked. She told that, oh, you are two. There you two are. Oh, you are standing here. We have a lot to do before tonight. Before night, we have so many works to do. You know, if this is going to be a great celebration, it means what we are going to celebrate in our home. If it is, we are going to make it a big celebration. Before that, we need to work very hardly. We need to work very hardly. Then only this celebration will become great. So first, why you are standing here and talking, both of you? Okay, like that she told to her husband and son. Son name was Yuki and her husband was there. To them both she said. Then that Yuki's father replied for this. He replied, Yuki and I were just talking about grandfather. We were just talking about grandfather. It means Yuki's grandfather. We were talking. We were standing here and talking, he said. Then mother, yes, we all miss grandfather Yuki, but we remember him every day by doing things the way he taught us. To Yuki's father, okay dear, it means till here you can see here. So then father said that we were talking about grandfather, he said. Then mother, oh yes, we all miss grandfather Yuki. It means we are all missing him. It means he has already died, it seems. So that is why she is telling that we all miss grandfather Yuki, but we remember him. We are all remembering him every day. We are remembering him every day by doing things the way he taught us. How he told us to live. Like that we are all living. No, it means what we are living today, this is the way it was taught by your grandfather. He told us to live like this. So that is why we are remembering him. How he told us to live, like that we are living now. So this is the one of the great gift we got from your grandfather. So we are remembering every day. After this, she told to her husband, that Yuki's mother, she told to her husband, what she told? Okay dear, that's enough. Memories for today. These memories are enough for today. Now we are all talking about grandfather, no? So it is enough. It's okay, it's enough. Let's get cracking. It means let us work now. Let us go to work now. If we are talking like this, keep on talking like this, then time will be waste. So before night we need to work a lot to make this celebration great. So let's get cracking. Let us start work, she said. And Yuki can work by himself for a while. And she said that, so leave that Yuki will work himself. What he want to do, that he will do. So you leave him and you come for the work, she asked to her husband. Then father replied, I will come with you, dear. So he said, okay, I will come with you, dear. He said to his wife. Then mother, gives a basket of fruits to Yuki. She gave one basket of fruits to Yuki, and she said, Yuki, I want you to take this fruit basket to the sea and take and go this fruits basket to the sea. Okay, sea means you know that one of the huge water body, sea, Samudra, we are calling that. Go to that sea and make sure that the fruits are washed clean and dried by the time I return. So now you have time to wash these fruits. Take and go these all the fruits or this basket you can take and go to the sea and wash these all the fruits cleanly and make them dry before I return. I will come back after few minutes. Before I return, you must clean these all the fruits. It means wash these all the fruits and make them dry and keep. Get ready. Okay, keep them ready. Like that she said, and she walks off stage. She went back of the stage. Then what happened now, father? You know how she gets worked up before a festival. Worked up means continuously with lots of tension she will be working. Your mother, Yuki, your mother always like this only. During festival time especially, she will be working a lot and she will be very busy and also she will be lots of excited and tensed. Tension will be there for them. Girls, ladies means when they will be working at home during festival time. So he said to his son, Yuki's father, and I had better go and help her. She is only working, no? So there are so many works. So I will go and help to your mother. I will help her, he said, and quickly runs off stage after mother. It means that Yuki's mother, she went back to the stage already. Now Yuki's father also quickly, it means suddenly he runs off stage. It means he went back to the stage, back of the stage. Now, what happened now? So there, that Yuki's father and mother, they are not there on the stage now. Only Yuki is there, and first villager, village boy, and other villagers have been walking back and forth across the stage behind Yuki and his family. They were there back of the stage, no, nearby the stage. Now they were there still, and suddenly Yuki feel the earth shake under his feet, but no one else seems to notice. So his mother told him to go and wash these fruits and come from the sea. Like that she said. No, he was walking there. When he was walking, suddenly he got that feeling that, one of the feeling that the earth shake under his feet. Okay, under his feet, that earth shake, that was one of the feeling he got. So, but nobody was thinking of it. Only it came to the notice of this boy. Okay, he understood that something it is going on. Okay, he understands that something is going on. Then immediately Yuki, he was surprised now. He was surprised, and what was that? What happening? The earth moved. Earth is moving or shaking. The earth moves again. Again it is moving. The villagers drop whatever they are carrying and bend their knees as if trying to keep their balance. Now when he started to shout like this, what was that? The earth moved. The earth moves again. Then the villagers drop whatever they are carrying, what were there in their hands. So they left them all. They were carrying something. No, they owed something in there, or somebody they were carrying fruits, or somebody they were carrying the plates or something to wash them in the sea. So now they dropped them everything, and immediately they bend their knees. It means they bend towards Monakaluri Kudo, that is, bend their knees as if trying to keep their balance. Why they bend their knees means because to keep the balance. If they stood like that only, they may fall down, they may lose their balance. So to avoid this one, to keep their balance, they bend their knees here. So Monakaluri ellaru kelagade kudru. Then the movement stops. It means that shaking of the earth, it was stopped now. Now, and the villagers start laughing and relieved. Now, when it stopped, all the villagers, they started to laughing at each other, and they relieved. It means ದೇ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ನಾವು, ಓ ಯಪ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ದೇ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ರಿಡ್ ನಾವು, ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ರಿ. ನಾವು first villager, he said something. What he said here it is, losing your balance there. So it means he was telling to others, hey, you are all losing your balance. It means, so it means he was making comedy here, that first villager, losing your balance there, he said. Then what happened? So he continued here. So this is still this you can understand. Then in my next class I will explain that next part of the lesson. So listen all of you and try to understand this story. One of the beautiful story, children, it is. And after this class I will share these meanings of this word, meanings of this lesson to your WhatsApp group. So all of you see and write those all the meanings of new words in your English CW. Okay, take care children, have a nice day.